Okay guys, so we're on the pound USD 50-minute chart, about to enter a sell trade, and let's just give it a moment. Right, and all of the conditions for entering a sell trade for a conservative type style of trading for the system are in place, and I've been looking at the indicators and the lines, and we'll explain more fully in the members area to our members what we were exactly looking for here. But basically all the colors are in alignment here. Everything is ready for a sell trade, and so I'm going to be entering into a sell trade now. Right, so we've entered the trade and we are now in the market, going short. Entered that candle there. I'm going to set my stop loss just above this area here, and I'll be looking to set a target just above the support area below. Okay, so let me modify this trade. I want to show you how to do it manually. We'll enter our stop loss area here, which I measured out already, and take profit. And there we go. That should appear now on our charts. Press OK. We can see that is the take profit target. That is the stop loss area on top here. And now we just have to come back and monitor the trade. Okay, we're back, and we can see that our trade has been closed. We were successful, of course, with the red line indicating the candle on which we entered the trade, and eventually we were taken out just over an hour later for $2,170. Easy trade, followed the system rules, and no problems whatsoever. Thanks guys for watching.